Coño, I want to shoot that gun, dog.
Hey, get a video of me going
Too late.
nine loaded.
Watch out.
8, 9.
Go. Well, shoot it up already.
Hold up, I don't have 9. Whatever, I have like 6.
Go.
Ready?
Go. Watch out, yo.
Why don't you niggas shoot something? My shit fell off? That shit sucks. That's how you use a shotgun. That's how you really use it, like that.
And I caught that shit on fucking video with your thing coming
Dame,
up.
nigga.
Go.
Dame on video.
Chalo.
That's it?
Badass.
Go, I'm gonna catch Adrian now. Go, Adrian. There you go, so I can get your whole thing.
Hey,
Go.
the bullets are gonna hit me in the dome.
Rapid fire, nigga.
Adrian, metralladora. You see, it didn't get jammed now.